So a lot of people throw pods on the older bikes just because the airboxes are non-existent, or they think they're going to get more power or whatever, but needless to say, the CV carbs on a lot of these older bikes like to transition from the velocity stacks through the venturis to give it a good signal, vacuum signal. So this with the airbox on, it has the K&N air filter. I've done some jetting upgrades, so I'll have to continue on doing that once the weather clears, but sounds a lot better now. So this engine I had to rebuild completely. Of course, the carbs, obviously same thing. You can hear, got a nice smooth off idle. Into the mains, I'll have to get, like I said, get it under a load and get it dialed in. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.